All the worlds, the upper as well as the lower, including our world, are inside of us. That's because we overall perceive everything, all parts of reality according to our properties. The upper light is around us. There are no changes in it, no shades. But according to how we change our properties, that's what determines how we sense changes. And it seems to us that the world is full of people and objects and forces, and that everything happens, behaves, evolves, changes. But in actuality, this is not true. In truth, if we could see ourselves as if looking from the side, like seeing as though we had different properties, we would see that there actually is nothing there, that each of us is a black box, a closed system that can only feel what occurs inside of it, not outside. We are impressed by our inner properties, and our inner properties divide into the upper world and the lower world. The upper world is called our altruistic properties, if we can acquire them and feel them within ourselves. The lower world, our world, is, if we feel ourselves as we now feel, we can call this our egoistic properties, in our desire to enjoy and to receive. And therefore, there is nothing outside of us as we imagine, that there are worlds, and that there's such a world that seems to be outside of us, and it's not true, it's an illusion. And so it is with everything else that we imagine. Everything is actually a product of our imagination. We, as scientists have proven, see with our eyes an inverted image, which is then reinterpreted by our brain. It's the same with our inverted vision that causes us to see everything outside of us, while actually it's inside of us. It's just my impression that makes me think that the world is outside of me.